All right, so I'm not sure if you saw, I posted a couple things from this new boutique. It's called Tate Zoey, and it's a gift-giving company. Well, to be honest, gifts for yourself, home decor, weddings, birthdays, you know, all the fun things. But I had to share this packaging. Every single package comes with this adorable sticker. It's time to change lives with a gift. So how fun getting this at your doorstep and this adorable sticker. But even better, you guys, you open the packages, and any package you order, whether it's for yourself or for someone else, comes with this adorable confetti. I freaking love the colors. It's so cute. I will be saving this and reusing it in gift bags. I'm not going to lie. And then you also get this gift card that talks about gratitude and the Tate Zoey company. They work with independent business owners, artists, entrepreneurs across the country. They also do a lot of different giveaways, like for different causes. I know they deal with some sex trafficking companies, and I freaking love that when they're giving back. So every time you order, you have the option of customizing this postcard. So of course, this is for me, so I didn't customize the left-hand side, but you can seriously put any type of message that you want. So it's all done for you. Like everything's done. It's packaged with the cute sticker, all of this fun confetti, a beautiful note to your gift recipient. I freaking love it. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this adorable Tate and Zoey. It's like a picture board. So you get to put the pictures, you know, you can display all of your pictures right on that. They have lots of them with different fun, inspiring messages and things like that you can display all your pictures on and change them. I'll probably put it on like my buffet table, my seasonal table, and then change it out. So super cute. I should have probably opened all of this. So how cute the packaging. Let me open this and then get back. Okay, if this is not real life, you guys. So say yes to new adventures. That's all about me, whether it be in my business or with my crazy 3 boys and my husband, needless to say. But they have the cutest, maybe makeup bags, pencil bags, personal items for that time of the month. I use bags like that all the time for them. So this is vegan leather. I guess that's a fancy way for saying fake leather. I don't know, but it is super good quality. Absolutely love it. Nice, great zipper. I think I posted about these. They have like the cutest sayings on these pouches for anyone on your gift list. Like so good. So definitely check those out. But how cute is this? Okay, the next thing that I got is it's one of their best sellers, the sun necklace. And all of their jewelry, I guess, comes in these really cute soft pouches that absolutely can be used for polishing, I guess. So twofold. So let me open this and show you. Okay, you guys, so cute. So this is by one of the artists, Moon and Lola. So there's other designs from that company, that particular artist, but so stinking cute. So it's that not safety pin, but like link chain. So you can make it either shorter or you can make it longer. But I love that. It's one of those really small little businesses. How cute. Oh my goodness. And it says Tate and Zoey right there, you guys. So stinking cute. Okay, love this. I'll definitely be wearing this for sure. Or maybe I'll do a giveaway because this is stinking cute. Okay, I think there's one more thing. Okay, so this is the last thing that came with my package. And it is the most ginormous cappuccino cup ever. Current mood boss. Oh my gosh, isn't that the truth in real life? Seriously. This is the biggest cup ever. You could seriously use it for like an ice cream sundae, soups, like seriously amazing. The handle, everything's so great about it. Love it. They have these types of cappuccino mugs. I think it's more of like a latte mug because seriously, that is freaking huge. That is a huge cup. But they have so many different sayings. So what a great thing if you have team members or something and you want to send them something to, you know, make their day a little bit happier, or maybe they had an amazing milestone, send them one of these amazing mugs with all of this cute packaging and you are set. So good. Might I add, for the month of March, you can get all of this for $1, you guys, seriously. So I know there's only a few more days in the month, but if you're interested in getting all of this for $1, let me know and I can hook you up. Otherwise, April, it goes back to a regular discounted price, but I can tell you about that too. So amazing things, so good.